Now let's have a look at a real life example from a customer, how quickly we can machine this part, which is, as you can see, in the assembly with all the fixture. So what we have here is just a multi-surface feature with everything selected. And if I look at the parameter, the strategy selected is drill housing, made specially for this. If you have a part family, you always can use, let's say, the same strategy. Okay, right click, generate operation plan. What I'm getting, 3 operation, starting with the area clearance. Let's just quickly generate the toolpath. This is using Volumill, as you can see. Okay, let's go to the next step, flat area. CAMWorks just automatically finds all the flat area inner parts and machine those without having to specifically select all those flat areas. Step over, we don't want to machine the entire part, so let's just insert to new avoid area. I want to avoid this area, and tool will be allowed to go tool center on this curve. Let's do a second one. I click new avoid area. I want to avoid this area and let the tool go on the center. Okay, so next, generate toolpath. Okay, I zoom in. As you can see, we have absolute neat and clean toolpath to machine that part. And so this is done in minutes thanks to the TechDB, where you can save actually the strategy that are parametric and will work for parts with the same topology, just different sizes. So it will adapt automatically. If I go in a setup, I can set the origin, of course, but I can also define the fixture to tell the system not to machine this. And then if I go into simulation, I can see actually the part and the fixture. There's also automatic collision detection in the assembly mode where you have the fixture. So you can actually define safe toolpath and safe machining without any collision problem with the fixtures. Flat area, now of course we have the finishing. That will take too long, so I stop here. I can go back, use turbo mode, and just check Now everything is green. As you can see, there's a little blue here. Obviously the tool used there was too big. We have a 10 millimeter tool, so I would need to use a smaller tool to get rid of that blue area. And we can see here I have a 10 millimeter. Let's just go in there and add tool diameter. Let's say I have a 6 millimeter. Change the tool, select, okay, and generate toolpath again. Okay, so let's check again. Simulate. We use turbo. And this time we're good. Everything is green.